drinks coming.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am so happy that you clicked on today's video. So I'm going to be sharing a super productive morning. We're going to be doing a weekly reset today. So we are getting some things done just so we can have a good, easy, successful week and just kind of get some of those weekly cleaning tasks done and things like that. So I hope you're ready for today's video. We're going to go ahead and just jump right in. So we've been on summer break for a couple of weeks now. Let me know, do you guys have any fun summer plans or any vacations that you're going on this summer? This summer we have a couple. We have a just mom and dad one where me and my husband are going to be going to Europe and going to like Italy, London, and Paris. If you want to follow along on that vacation, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm going to be sharing a lot of content over there. And then we're also going to be having a family vacation or a family trip later this summer too, going back home to Washington. Other than that, we'll be doing a lot of fun things around town, just like our like water park that we have and just like some of those fun day trips. So we're excited. It's going to be a good summer compared to the last couple of summers. So I'm very thankful for that. So I'm not really doing too much of deep cleaning today, but sometimes when I see something that needs to be wiped down and it wasn't on the list, I just go ahead and tackle it. And right here, there was just a lot of dust and hair and debris and stuff. So I wanted to go ahead and wipe that down. And now I am using my steam mop to go ahead and clean my bathroom floors. I'm obsessed with this steam mop, you guys. I will link it down below. I am so happy with it. You also can take apart the like handle there, and it's a regular steamer, like a steam shot almost, like where you can just steam clean like your toilets and different areas in your home and like your windows and stuff, but you can also use it as a steamer on your clothes. So I've been doing that instead of ironing.
Otherwise I feel I'm doomed. You be looking over like you really know me. Maybe take a picture, take a couple, guess it's free. I don't wanna give another guarantee. Look me in the eyes right now, run away with me. Or to a place that you thought you never really see. You'd be looking funny when you're living so free. All I afraid to take the plunge. I heard too many things, I prayed that they were wrong, but I'm still happy now. Just think of what could be if I was still around. The schedules were free.
So I'm going ahead and breaking up the load so I can dry it faster. If I put all of the blankets and sheets in there, it takes me longer to dry. I have to keep checking it, seeing if it's fully dry. So this way I just went ahead and split it up. And then I'm also using those Bounce dryer sheets, and those help with pet hair. So if you have a pet, definitely pick those up. They're on Amazon and they have helped so much. Plus they smell good. So now I'm headed downstairs so I can get my morning routine stuff done. And that is where I typically fill up my water. I'll have my green juice, and then I will go ahead and take my vitamins. And today's video is in partner with Ritual. If you're wondering whether or not to take a multivitamin, the main thing to know is that no matter how well you guys eat or what kind of diet you follow, it can be really difficult to get all of your nutrients from foods. So every diet can have a nutrient gap, whether you're vegan, paleo, keto, or you eat everything. And there's also factors outside of diet that can play a role, like genetic variations, age, your current life stage. So getting enough nutrients and doing it continuously every single day is crucial for supporting nutrient levels so they can support the body's nutrient needs. So the nice thing about Ritual is that they're very transparent. So Ritual's products are made traceable. They have receipts from sourcing to testing the packaging. Ritual does ship to the United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. It is a subscription. If you do need to cancel your subscription or change the delivery date for your order, you can do that on the account page. Also, their capsules are delayed release design, which means you can take them on an empty stomach, which is very important to me because sometimes I just want to knock out my vitamins in the morning before I actually sit down and eat breakfast. If you use my code, you will get 20% off your first month. So I will have all of their information down below in my description box. Thank you, Ritual, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So now we're gonna go ahead and get some cleaning done downstairs before I start making some weekly meal preps.
Breathing in my surroundings, I fall into a daydream. I look back to the palm trees in the hills by the sea, where I can set myself free to finally be at peace. Everything looks a little different without you next to me, holding my hand, but I'm okay with it. I'm just fine, taking it all one step at a time, moving slower than ever before. Somehow it feels like I'm doing so much more, lost in moments in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me, myself, and I. And I, in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me, myself, and I. And I, just me, myself, and I. Oh, just me, myself, and I. I used to search for reflections of your face in the waves.
So for one of the snacks or foods that I want to make for the week are some boiled eggs. Those are super easy for us to eat, and it gives you all the protein, and you can just grab them out of the fridge. And then I also went ahead and started preheating my oven so I can make some of these egg bite muffins. You guys know I love to make these. So I'm just throwing in some sausage, spinach, egg whites, cheese, and then your seasoning, whatever you like. We like to add like salt and pepper and stuff like that. So they're super good, very convenient to have throughout the week.
Lost in moments in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me and myself and I. It's me and myself and I. In my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me and myself and I. And I. Just me, myself, and I. Oh, just me, myself, and I.
I do want to apologize for the lack of the Sunday reset videos the last few weeks. You guys know kind of we've been going through a little bit, so I'm trying to get back on routine, but those are going to be back in July, and I'll have them up every Sunday again. We're leaving here in a week out for our vacation, so we're going to be gone for a couple of weeks then, and it's just been kind of different here too because we have had family staying with us throughout May and June. So I've been kind of all over the place with videos. I do apologize, but I will have those Sunday reset videos coming back soon. I know a few of you guys have reached out to me about them and I love making them. So I'm just trying to create videos that are very similar to them and adding that variety. So I hope you guys are at least enjoying these ones.
As long as I'm with you, I can do anything. When you're looking for a way to go, won't you reach for my hand? 'Cause I will be with you, just need to hold on. Don't try and hide your teeth when you smile at me. You make my face go red and my heart racing. I can feel your eyes when you're looking at me. Try to camouflage, but I still see. You can never hide from me. And you know that when the stars align, you can't hide from it. So come with me now. As long as I'm with you, I can do anything. As long as I'm with you.
So now that we're done with the Lunchables, which I have made on my channel, so I didn't really explain too much with those. You guys can see kind of what I did. Super easy and healthy meal ideas. And then now we are going to go ahead and jump into just making some more meal preps that have boiled eggs instead. And then I am gonna cut up some little cheese blocks and put my veggies in there. And I just love these quick and easy meals, and everyone in the house enjoys them. You don't have to do a lot through the week besides cook dinner, and then like breakfast for us is super easy. If we're not making eggs and like bacon and toast and stuff, the kids will have like cereal or bagels and cream cheese, things like that. I'll have like salmon and avocado toast and stuff like that. So this is really nice to have for the midday on the go snacks or even lunches.
You don't feel the same. Wondering when it changed. Did you come to play, my baby? I'm running your race. My heart's in its place. Wondering if you'll stay. I'm tired of figuring out whether you're in or you're not. I see it as a warning, I feel it in the morning. I've got those lingering doubts showing me with and without. I see it as a warning, I feel it as I'm falling. And I know it's the same thing you did before. Made me stay, saving face when I needed more. And I'm holding a space too good to ignore. Maybe it's fine, 'cause I know how it feels walking out the door. When I leave, it's the same stupid metaphor. I don't love you the same, now we keep it score. Maybe it's fine. It was all in vain, but I'm not all to blame. Was it just a game to you, baby? Feels like I'm insane. Got your heart on my brain. I see it as a warning, I feel it as I'm falling. And I know.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's weekly reset video. A little bit of cleaning and meal prep, all that fun stuff. Don't forget to check out ritual.com and using that 20% off code that I have down there in the description box. That will definitely help for that first month. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Go ahead and comment down below and say hi so I know you were here. And don't forget to check out my Instagram and go ahead and follow me there if you are interested in seeing some of our travels to Europe. All right, you guys. Love you. Bye, guys.
'Cause